Alright, y'all, what's the deal? What's the deal? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do this live trade. I'm Yaya Bradford for those who may not know who I am. I don't know how you found my video. I don't know how you found it. I truly do not know, but I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that you found my video, and I hope you stay to the end of the video. And I hope you get some type of knowledge from this video. So I'm gonna just do this live trade with y'all today. So let's get straight to it. So on a higher time frame, as y'all know, I trade off the line graph to find my areas where I want price to go. So on a 4-hour time frame, I can see that price is coming down to this area because it has broken this low right here. So the next low would be here. And then say if price wanted to break to the upside or break upward, this would be an area I would consider to look at. And that is basically it on a higher time frame. On a 5-minute time frame, we just go to there and mark our London highs and lows. So that would be here. And here. As y'all see, price has already broken a low before the session has even started. So it made a new low before the New York session. So that's good to know that we are creating new lows in the market before 9:30 even come along. So to be honest, all I'm waiting for is for price to break any type of low, and then I am okay with selling the market. So if we end up breaking this low before the session start is 9:21. If we end up breaking it before the session start, it's okay. I'll just make the adjustment and then mark it at the recent low in the market. Now if price ends up breaking a high, I want to see price break above this level here. This level realistically, but to be honest, I would really want to see price break this high here because this is a 5-minute zone. I'm not even looking for buys. To me, a buy just doesn't make sense in this circumstance, but if it does happen, then those will be the areas that I'll be looking for buys. Price is making a new low. As you can see, this is the new low. I just don't see price continuously pushing upward unless it breaks this area here. So as y'all can see, this is the fib that I use sometimes, not all the time, but it helps me out a little bit. So this is like a retracement area if it does break this high. If it breaks above this high, then it's more than likely changing its direction. But to be honest, I think we'll be looking for sales today. See y'all at 9:30. 9:30. Alright, y'all. So it's currently 9:29. So I'm waiting for price to close below this level right here, and that will give us a good entry. If I'm being quite honest, it already closed below. This is the low. It's looking like it wants to close, but let's go back to the 1 minute so we can get a head start. Turn this session tab off so y'all don't get distracted. Look like we want to enter sales, but I don't want to jump the gun because I haven't got a momentum candlestick yet. So I'm gonna take these sales because it's looking like we want to sell 15, 30. I want to take sales, but yeah, so we're gonna take these sales. You see it broke here, so I'm gonna hold it. It looks It looked much cleaner on a 5-minute time zone. So you can see like this was the low. Honestly, the low is here, and then it just straight up violated that whole low right there. And this is another low that is creating. This was the previous market structure in a 1 minute. So above this area, price could possibly turn around. So I'm gonna put my stops at that area right there. I'm gonna go to this 4 hour real quick, just on the Top Step X account, so we can see where price is sitting at far as target wise. Okay, so this will be our next target here, all the way down here. It look like it's about to hit my stop loss though, y'all. Yeah, it look like you want to hit it, so I want to hold it. A lot of times when it comes to my stop loss, I don't really allow it to hit my stop loss. I actually close it out before it even hits it. But that's just to save me like the headache of knowing like, dang, price about to hit my stop loss. So if price close above this line right here, which was a low, then I'll close out. I don't want it to hit my stop loss all the way completely. Yeah, I'm gonna close out $177 loss. So if price end up coming back below this level, then I'll sell again. Right now it's just pulling back, and I don't want to be inside of that. So I want price to break above this level before I enter for a buy, to be honest, because that would be like confirmation for me to know that price is changing its overall direction. Right here is just really like a pullback area for price to continue to push down. So if it closes above it, then that's confirmation for me that it wants to continue to push up. So honestly, we're getting in at a better entry anyway up here if it continues to break down. If we get this 5-minute close above this level, price could be changing directions. Think I'm gonna sell now. Put my stops above that high. So if y'all pay attention to this little drop right here, and then it's retracement, and then it's drop again, this is pure market structure because you have a new high being formed, but you have a drop, okay? Then you had a big bearish candlestick right here. And then this candle would be considered a retracement. So pay attention to that. And then this candle did not respect this retracement candle. It actually blew past it, so that's confirmation that price wants to continue to push down. So that is what I mean by paying attention to market structure and giving you confirmation on holding a trade, so you'll know how long to hold a trade. The overall profits is all the way down here, but I'm not able to hold that long unless a whole lot of volume come in the market, to be honest. But the goal is 6K, so to make 2,600 ain't too bad. So here's the thing, when price starts to make a support, I'll pay attention to that. I'm gonna just go based off of market structure because I don't really want to be sitting here, to be honest. So price is making, when price make a support, then I'll see if price wants to break through the support, just as it did right here. So it made a support and then it broke through it. So if it ends up making a support, I'll mark the support area up, and then if the next candlestick does not break through it like how this one did, then I'm gonna close my trade. So right here we got price making a support. So let's pay attention to what this candlestick does, if it breaks through it or if it does not. If it does not break through it when it closed, then I'll just take my profits where it's at. Yeah, it did not break through it, so I took my profits. So I'm only up $300 on this account, which is, I don't really care. I'm starting not to pay attention to the money, honestly. I'm paying attention to market structure. So that's what we made for today, $300. I'm cool with it, and it's gonna have to be what it's gonna have to be. I'll see y'all tomorrow when we trading live. Peace.